Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 1 of year 2021. Question number 6 is 6A. An orthogonal turning operation is carried out on a mild steel cylindrical workpiece using an HSS single point cutting tool having rack angle 12 degree with cutting speed of 250 meter per minute and feed rate of 0.15 mm per wd. The depth of cut is 1.5 mm and chip thickness ratio is 0.25. If the horizontal cutting force is 700 Newton and vertical force is 1250 Newton, determine the following using merchants. Use the merchant rule. 1. Shear strain. 2. Work done by friction. 3. Work done by shear. 4. Total work done. And 5. Mean shear stress in shear 3. So as rack angle is given as 12 degree, chip thickness ratio is given as 0.25, and from the ratio of shear angle, tangent pi is equal to r cos alpha divided by 1 minus r sin alpha, we can find out this shear angle. Shear angle comes as 14.46. We putting these values, alpha as 12 and chip thickness ratio as 0.25. Now from the shear strain formula, we have shear strain is equal to cos pi is equal to cos pi plus tangent pi minus alpha. Again pi is known, alpha is known, so shear strain comes as 3.92. Now the cutting speed is given as 250 meter per minute. From this cutting speed we can find out chip velocity as well as shear velocity. So this is your velocity diagram. V is cutting velocity, Vs is shear velocity, Vc chip velocity. So and this angle is alpha rack angle, and this would be 90 minus alpha, and this is your shear angle, and this is your 90 minus bracket pi minus. So from this we have Vs by sin 90 minus alpha and Vc by sin 90 sin pi, and V by sin 90 minus bracket pi minus. So V is your 250 meter per minute. So this is 250 meter per minute, and this will be sin 90 minus pi minus alpha will be cos pi minus alpha. Okay, and this is your sin pi. Sin is Vc is sin pi will come here. So Vc will come out as 62.48 meter per minute. Now using this Vc and this sin pi and this these two parts, we can find out Vs. So Vs comes out to 44.76 meter per minute. So now this is your merchant circuit diagram. This is cutting force, this is thrust force, this is shear force, this is a normal force, this is friction force, this is normal force, normal to friction force, this is your rack angle, this is friction angle, this is shear angle. From the diagram we can drive this F friction force in terms of Fc and Ft. So it is, as this angle is alpha, so it is Fc sin alpha plus Ft cos alpha. Fc is vertical force, that is 1250, and Ft is horizontal force, that is 700 Newton. Okay, so as vertical force in turning is your cutting force, so it will be your Fc. Okay, here it is shown horizontally, but actually it is vertical in case of turning, and Ft is your thrust force, or that horizontal force is your thrust force, that is 700 Newton. Now we can put these values and find out F. So alpha is 12 degree and Fc and Ft are given, so that is 944.59. And work done by friction is friction force into chip velocity. So chip velocity we found in meter per minute, dividing by 60, it would be meter per second. So F is 944.59, so it will come out as 983.633 watt or 0.983 kilowatt. Okay, again from merchant circle we can find relationship between Fs, Fc and Ft. So as angle between Fc and Fs is pi, so it will be, so Fs will be your Fc cos phi minus Ft sin phi, or you can remember the relationship also, or you can write. Now putting again the values of Fc, Ft and pi is 14.46, it will come out as 1035.6. And now the work done by shear is Fs into Vs. So Vs is 244.76 and Fs is 1035.6. So it will come out as 4224.5 watt or 4.22545 kilowatt. Okay. So now total work done can also be calculated, that is Fc into V. Fc is cutting force, V is your velocity. So Fc is 1250, V is 250 by 60. So it comes out as 5208.3 or 5.208 kilowatt. So actually it is a summation of this work done by friction plus work done by shear. You can check 4.2 plus 0.9 is your approximately same, that is 5.208 kilowatt. And the last part is mean shear stress. So that is shear force divided by shear area, that is bt by sin phi. So B is your 1.5 thickness and T is your feed is 0.15, okay, or run cut thickness, that is 0.15. So answer comes out 1149.3.